Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody watching is having a great day. Today we're back with another episode of 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. This is where I give you a quick review of a shoe that I picked up in under 1 minute. I'll put a link to my last episode up on the screen right here if you want to go and check it out. Make sure you also check out my Instagram if you want to see any of my shoe posts before anybody else does. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Alright, let's go. Today we're taking a look at the Air Jordan Retro 3 Reimagined White Cement. This shoe was released on March 11th, 2023 at a retail price of $210. This shoe brings back one of the original colorways, celebrating the 35th anniversary of the Jordan Retro 3. Designed by Tinker Hatfield, the reimagined iteration is built on the original 1988 specifications. To start, it comes in a box that's made to look like it was distressed. It also comes with a little throwback card that Jordan used to include in all of their older retros. The white leather upper pairs the elephant print on the heel and toe overlays, while hits of varsity red appear on the lace loops and Jumpman on the tongue. Nike Air is on the back heel tab, while a visible Air unit provides lightweight cushioning. A slight hint of yellowing also appears on the back heel tab and midsole, giving the shoe a vintage look. As far as resale value, it's not as expected but not god-awful. All sizes are sitting currently below $300, but I'm sure they will slowly rise as time goes on. The highest price size right now is right around $300, with the lowest price size being around $230. I do really like these as well as the other reimagined Chicago ones. I love a shoe with a good story and presentation, and the reimagined series is really a treat for sneakerheads like me. It's rumored that more reimagined shoes are coming out, and I'm all for it. Well, this has been 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for all of your support and have a great day.